situated in the UK and hoping to purchase little cherish mixture. Provided that this is true, the cycle really is truly straightforward. You should simply find a managed trade, store a few assets, and certainly conclude the number of little love mixture tokens you need to purchase, which generally is very critical. Be that as it may, how do you have at least some idea whether little love mixture explicitly is a wise venture, and which representative is best for you? The UK market has embraced the crypto method of effective money management extremely well, a result that has made financial backers most certainly begin directing their monetary resources towards the crypto market, or so they thought. There are genuinely numerous cryptographic forms of money today, each including especially own characteristics, essentially make it not quite the same as the others, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Other than the conventional cryptos like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Money, Ethereum and Ethereum Exemplary, among others, there is the Little Love Elixir, SLP, crypto sent off in December 2019. Little Love Elixir is an ERC20 digital currency working over the axie vastness stage. The cryptographic money truly is applied in rearing new computerized pets named axies. Each time an axie is reared, kind of more Little Love Elixirs truly are required. Little Love mixtures explicitly are required each time one sort of plays the method of the fee experience game and the PvP field. The best thing about this token is that there is no extremely greatest drawn line of SLP supply. Prior to wandering into the crypto market, it would be gainful in the event that financial backers talked with monetary guides and sort of other industry specialists, or so they in a real sense thought. This is intended to assist with directing you through this profoundly unpredictable market's dangers and specialized complexities. Thus, in the event that you are keen on purchasing Little Love mixture, however don't know where to begin, you will track down all the vital data in this video. We likewise sort of have a bit-by-bit guide clarifying how to purchase Little Love mixture coins in the UK. Where to purchase Little Love Elixir, SLP, in the UK. Would you say you are looking for how to purchase Little Cherish mixture in the UK? All things considered, there are many crypto trades and merchants in the UK. This can make it difficult to tell which stage is ideal for you in an unpretentious manner. Rundown of the best trades to purchase Little Adore mixture, SLP, in the UK. Looking where to purchase Little Love Elixir in the UK at the present time. Underneath you will find 4 of the especially the best representatives that permit you to purchase SLP in the UK. eToro practically the best merchant to purchase Little Love Elixir, SLP, in the UK. Binance best trade to purchase Little Love mixture UK. For resource variety Coinbase in every way that really matters. Best trade to generally purchase Little Love Elixir, SLP. For novices OKEX best representative to generally purchase Little Love Elixir UK. For certainly minimal expense a bit-by-bit manual for purchasing Little Love mixture, SLP. To begin purchasing Little Love Elixir, SLP. Tokens, follow the underneath steps. Stage 1. Register a trade account. The initial step is to enlist a record on a trade account. There are many trades in the UK managed by the Monetary Led Authority, which most certainly is very critical. Prior to opening a record, affirm whether the trade fundamentally upholds Little Love mixture tokens and the British pounds in an unpretentious manner. When you truly have chosen the trade you most certainly need to utilize, you can now truly make your record. Account opening is somewhat simple. All you want truly is decently your authority name, telephone number, and email address. As a result of the sort of weighty guidelines forced on the crypto area, trades are currently expected to for the most part consent to know your client (KIC) rules. To comply with these standards, you want to give your evidence of character and confirmation of address, which is genuinely huge. 2. In every practical sense, upgrade the security of your record. You want to give a multifaceted confirmation process in an unpretentious manner. Stage 2. Asset your record. After you have effectively made your record, the really following stage essentially is to subsidize your record. To do as such, you can store British pounds to the trade from your financial balance, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This permits you to purchase Little Love mixture, SLP, tokens utilizing government-issued money, or so they thought. On the off chance that your trade doesn't in every practical sense empower you to purchase SLP tokens utilizing government-issued money, you can buy other digital currencies. The trade will list actually a few digital currency coordinates that you can use to essentially finish your buy, like BTC SLP or FSLP, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you don't currently claim these digital currencies, you can begin by getting them and trading them for Little Love Elixir. Stage 3. Purchase Little Love Elixir, SLP, which is very huge. Now that you for the most part have assets or digital currencies in your record that you can use to purchase SLP tokens, the third step basically is to go to the purchasing segment on the trade in an unobtrusive manner. Enter how much British pounds or crypto you need to trade for SLP tokens and affirm your request. You will get a notice after commonly your exchange certainly has been finished. Your new SLP tokens will show up on the trade account. There are two different ways that you can buy SLP tokens, a market request or a breaking point request. With a market request, the tokens will be basically purchased consequently at the overall market costs in an unpretentious manner. With a cutoff request, you can choose the value you would explicitly really like to purchase the tokens at. The request will naturally especially be finished when that cost in a real sense is reached. Stage 4. Store SLP tokens in a crypto wallet. Subsequent to purchasing crypto, you want to track down an approach to putting away your tokens in an exceptionally large manner. Digital currencies especially are put away in crypto wallets, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Trades normally offer an internet-based wallet where you can hold tokens, and most certainly recover them at whatever point you need to exchange as opposed to prevalent thinking. To truly keep exceptionally your SLP tokens locked away for quite a while without exchanging, the most favored wallet would be a cool equipment wallet. The wallet keeps especially your tokens disconnected and limits the gamble of them being explicitly lost. Cold wallets are likewise a sort of extraordinary choice in the event that you are purchasing a lot of SLP tokens in a significant manner. Step-by-step instructions to sell Little Love Elixir, SLP, or so they fundamentally thought. Selling Little Love Elixir, SLP, tokens is likewise all around as simple as purchasing the tokens. The initial step really is to for the most part eliminate the tokens from the crypto wallet and back to the trade. A short time later, you can really go to the offer choice to trade and exchange extremely your SLP tokens for British pounds, which is very huge. Be that as it may, a few trades may not permit the immediate trade of SLP tokens to cash, which is very huge. In fundamentally such an occurrence, you can trade SLP tokens for other digital currencies, essentially, for example, Bitcoin, which you can later really change over into cash, in spite of mainstream thinking. Which wallets could I at any point use to truly hold Little Love Elixir, SLP, which is genuinely huge? As referenced before, there in every way that really matters are two fundamental classifications of crypto wallets in an unpretentious manner. You can store SLP tokens in a hot wallet or a chilly wallet. There are numerous crypto wallets accessible. The main thing you want to do is select one that will be viable with SLP tokens, which is very critical. In the event that you sort of are a successive dealer, you don't need to explicitly eliminate your crypto from the trade and into one more wallet in a significant manner. Most trades offer portable wallets through an application. In any case, assuming you generally need something no problem at all, really cold disconnected wallets are the in every practical sense most ideal.